Productive Machines is a customer-driven company. We have been talking a lot to the manufacturers since we started. We are a 4-year-old business, and consistently they have defined their requirements to us. The first thing is the reduced cost. Every manufacturer is interested in reducing their cost. When they reduce the cost, they become more competitive, and they are likely to get more orders. But then another problem starts. When there are more orders, then they have to increase their production capacity. So that's also another requirement. Usually they invest in machine tools, which is really expensive, £300,000, £500,000. It can be even more, depending on the size and the complexity of the machine tool. I am going to show today that there's another way, in addition to instead of buying machine tools to increase the production capacity. And also in the sector, we all know that there is a waste problem in the sector, and to address that, companies do continuous improvement. Every year they can reduce the cost or waste maybe 3-4% every year with the continuous improvement initiatives. But we have demonstrated that we can reduce the waste around 20-25% in a week rather than 5 years' time with the continuous improvement processes. And how we do that? We have developed the SenseNC software. SenseNC is sensing the NC files before it goes to the machine. So it gives extra sensing capabilities to the machinists or CAM programmers. And when we developed that, we really pay attention to 3 things. First one was about ease of use. So every manufacturer that we talked to asked for ease of use. And they said similar things, like they get different results from different CAM programmers. And there's a skills gap problem. So they said, can this solution be used by any CAM programmer? So that was a requirement. And we achieved that. So this solution can be used by any CAM programmer, even if they are only like 1 week in the job. And also, second requirement was they wanted an integration to the existing workflow. So they didn't want to create extra workflows. And we also achieved that with the integration into Siemens NX and other CAM packages. And also they want results, real-world impactful case studies. So since we started, we have done more than 20 different case studies, which gave really meaningful impact to the manufacturers.